Mwachku, just calm down and watch this video. I want to tell you something about bed. Anytime where bed shit on your body or on top of your head, I go tell you what you go do. You get the point. Simbo sobi na aga n'ụzọ. Nnụnụ anyụọ gị nshi n'arụ. Just watch this video. Onwe nchi ikuzi gị ihe ị ga-eme with akwa. Watch it out. My brother ndawam. I just am second interview. You get the point. No, I want to teach you something. Just listen to me. Anytime you and one man you go and bring egg. Go tell me go and buy egg for me. Use this egg for cleansing so that thing will not come to pass. It's a bad luck, fucking hindrance. Call your ancestors. Call your water people. Call Ndajana. Call them. Say I be about go. You get the point. Use it and cleanse yourself. Call on them. Use it and cleanse yourself so that will not come to pass. Because if you fuck up, break it. Actually the possible self more. The possible. In a chance again. It was everything in your life, no ordinary thing. It's not an ordinary thing. Protect yourself now as an African man, as an Igbo man, so that your days will be long. It is me, OKWU-BRAIN boss, Taga in the jungle. One day is me, so Yagaze, one more.